Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the coupon section under the Tools tab. Let's begin. The coupon tool is an add-on that allows you to create a list of coupons for your visitors to download for themselves. Adding a coupon is very simple. Click the green Add Coupon button, enter the coupon name, sponsor name, and then the coupon image, then click Save. Once you've saved your coupon, it will then be added to the coupon list. Here you can preview the image, delete the coupon, or rearrange the order. You can set up as many coupons as you want for your website. Now let's go over how to display your coupon on the website. So go to Menu and Pages, Menu Pages, and then you could add the coupons to any of these pages. I'm going to go under the Interact tab. To add a new subpage, enter the name, and then click Add Page. Then scroll down, click the yellow edit icon. You then need to create a coupon stack item, so enter the coupon name, and then change this to coupons. Then add the item. You can delete this editor one below. Then when you click the coupon button, it'll take you back to the coupon page. Let's go into our demo website so I can show you what this looks like on the website. Under the Interact tab, you'll see Coupon, and here all the coupons will be listed. Here your visitors can print these coupons. Clicking the Print button opens up a pop-up and adds the coupon to a printing queue. Multiple coupons can be added to the queue before clicking the Print Now button. So I'm going to exit this out and then click the Print button for the next coupon, and it will then be added below. So your visitors can print multiple coupons at once. There's a lot of benefits to our coupon add-on feature. You can add coupons for local businesses to your website to drive more traffic. You can charge your clients for listings. You can sell ad space on your coupon page to boost your revenue. Consumers can easily access coupons for local businesses. And businesses will attract new customers, increase brand awareness, and maintain a strong local presence. For more information about our coupon features, pricing, or to sign up to receive this add-on, visit our website and visit our Products section. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our Help Center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.